Hi there, students. To punch above your weight. To punch above your weight. Okay, this is to participate in an activity that looks like it's beyond your abilities. To attempt to achieve something or perform at a higher level than would be expected based on your past form, your preparation, your attributes, your rank, things like that. Now, notice this can actually be used in two ways, either positively or negatively. So you can punch above your weight, meaning to be successful in a field that you wouldn't expect them to be successful in. So, for example, I think the British music industry has always punched above its weight. It has more power or influence in the music business than you would expect from a country of the size of the UK. Or maybe the British film industry as well seems to punch above its weight. Okay, it performs at a higher level than you would generally expect. Yeah. Okay, to perform better than you think. This town may be quite small, but it has a lot of influences and punches well above its weight. Now, you can also use this negatively, as I said. So he's trying to do something that he's not going to be successful at. He says he wants to be a brain surgeon, but I'm certain he's punching above his weight. My local football team issued a challenge to Manchester United, but I think they're trying to punch above their weight. Now, you can use this as well in romantic relationships. So, if I start dating or fall in love with an incredibly beautiful young girl, then I'm probably punching above my weight. Yeah. So to date somebody who is either physically much more attractive than you, much more intelligent, or much more successful. Yeah, he's just an oik from the streets, and he's now dating the daughter of the Marquis of Bath. I think he's probably punching above his weight. Yeah, he's trying to be successful in something that is really going to be too much for him. Taking on a challenger like that is punching above your weight. You're going to get thrashed. Notice as well, you can actually use the opposite of this to punch below your weight, to underachieve, or to take on easy contestants, because like that it's easy to look good. Okay, so let's see, what about the origin? Well, this comes from boxing. If you look at bouts in boxing, bouts, B-O-U-T-S, normally the two boxers are generally nearly of equal weight, and there are different weight divisions. So if somebody's punching above their weight, they're trying to fight somebody in a much higher weight division, and that's the idea of it. Okay. As to formality, this is an informal phrase. I think I'd give it a 4.5 in formality, actually. I think you might just use this in a semi-formal writing, but it's a bit informal. But it's quite a nice metaphor or idiom to use. Okay? So, punching above your weight. he's the student is level B1, but he says that he's going to do the Cambridge proficiency. Yeah, he's trying to punch above his weight. It's going to be more than he's going to be able to do. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Punch above your weight. Punching above one's weight.